Rosiglitazone, detailed explanation. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, rosiglitazone, is the official non-proprietary name of the drug. Drug class rosiglitazone belongs to thiazolidinediones, TZDs, or glitazones, oral anti-diabetic agents, insulin sensitizers. Unlike sulfonylureas, rosiglitazone does not stimulate insulin release from the pancreas. Instead, it makes body tissues more responsive to insulin already present in the body. Brand name, Avandia. Drug forms available as oral tablets. 2 milligrams, 4 milligrams, 8 milligrams, administered orally once or twice daily. Number 2. Definition: rosiglitazone is an oral hypoglycemic drug used to treat type 2 diabetes mellitus, particularly in patients with insulin resistance. It lowers blood glucose levels by increasing the body's sensitivity to insulin rather than increasing insulin secretion. Why it is important. In type 2 diabetes, insulin is present. Cells do not respond properly to insulin, insulin resistance. Blood glucose rises. Rosiglitazone helps cells respond more effectively to insulin, thereby reducing blood glucose concentrations. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Primary target: rosiglitazone activates peroxisome proliferator activated receptor gamma, PPAR-GAG. PPAR-GAG is a nuclear receptor mainly located in adipose tissue, skeletal muscle, liver. Step-by-step action. 1. Rosiglitazone enters cells. 2. Binds to PPAR-GAG receptors. 3. Alters gene transcription. 4. Increases production of proteins involved in glucose transport. 5. Improves insulin sensitivity. 6. Enhances glucose uptake by muscle and fat cells. 7. Reduces glucose production by the liver. Physiological effects: decreased blood glucose, reduced insulin resistance, lower plasma insulin levels, improved HbA1c, improved lipid metabolism. Clinical result: blood sugar control improves gradually over several weeks. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics describes what the body does to the drug. Absorption: rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract. Oral bioavailability: 99%. Food has minimal effect on absorption. Peak plasma concentration occurs approximately, that is, 1 hour after administration. SHASH distribution: highly protein-bound 99%, mainly binds to albumin. Clinical significance: protein-bound drugs may interact with other highly bound medications. Metabolism occurs in the liver. Major enzyme, CYP2C8, minor enzyme, CYP2C9, produces inactive metabolites. Elimination: excreted primarily through urine, 64%, feces, 23%, mostly as metabolites rather than unchanged drug. Half-life, approximately 3 to 4 hours. However, glucose-lowering effects persist much longer due to changes in gene expression. Mana 5 uses: primary use, treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Additional uses: patients with significant insulin resistance, combination therapy with other anti-diabetic medications, patients inadequately controlled by diet and exercise. Number 6. Indications. An indication is a condition for which a drug is prescribed. Rosiglitazone is indicated for adults with type 2 diabetes. When diet alone is insufficient, exercise alone is insufficient, other oral agents are inadequate. Combination therapy can be used with metformin, insulin, sulfonylureas. Glycemic goals: helps reduce fasting blood glucose, postprandial blood glucose, HbA1c. 7. Contraindications. A contraindication is a condition where the drug should not be used. Absolute contraindications: hypersensitivity. Patients allergic to rosiglitazone should not take it. Heart failure, especially NYCHA class 3, NYCHA class 4. Rosiglitazone can worsen fluid retention. Diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, not effective because DKA requires insulin therapy. Relative contraindications. Use with caution in liver disease, cardiac disease, severe edema. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Heart failure risk. Most important precaution: monitor for shortness of breath, swollen ankles, rapid weight gain. Liver function. Baseline liver tests should be obtained. Monitor for jaundice, dark urine, persistent nausea. Bone fractures. Long-term use increases fracture risk, particularly in women. Common fracture sites: hand, wrist, foot. Eye problems can cause macular edema. Patients should report blurred vision, visual disturbances. Pregnancy: use only if benefits outweigh risks. Number 9. How to use. Administration: take at the same time daily. Can be taken with or without food. Swallow whole with water. Monitoring, regularly monitor blood glucose, HbA1c, body weight. Lifestyle measures, continue. Diabetic diet, exercise, weight control. Medication alone is not sufficient. Number 10, dosing information. Initial dose 4 milligrams per day orally, maybe 4 milligrams once daily or 2 milligrams twice daily. Dose adjustment. After 8 to 12 weeks, dose may be increased to 8 milligrams per day if glucose control remains inadequate. Maximum dose 8 milligrams per day. Higher doses are not recommended. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Take the missed dose as soon as remembered. If next dose is near, skip missed dose. Never double the dose. Overdose symptoms may include dizziness, hypoglycemia, especially with other diabetes drugs, weakness, management, monitor blood sugar, seek emergency medical care. Number 12, stop or avoid taking contact a healthcare provider immediately if tire signs of heart failure, swollen legs, weight gain, breathlessness, liver injury, yellow skin, yellow eyes, dark urine, eye problems, blurred vision, vision loss, severe allergic reactions, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects. Weight gain occurs due to increased fat storage, fluid retention, edema, fluid accumulation causing, swollen feet, swollen ankles, headache, usually mild and transient, fatigue common during therapy initiation. Serious side effects. Congestive heart failure, most significant adverse effect. Symptoms, dyspnea, edema, rapid weight gain. Macular edema may impair vision. Bone fractures more common in women. Hepatic dysfunction rare but potentially serious. Number 14, vital information. Boxed warning, rosiglitazone may cause heart failure, worsen existing heart failure. Patients should be monitored carefully. Monitoring parameters, frequency, blood glucose, regularly, HbA1c every 3 months, weight every visit, edema every visit. Liver function tests periodically. Number 15, other drugs that will affect rosiglitazone. CYP2C8 inhibitors increase rosiglitazone concentration. Example, gemfibrozil may increase side effects. TASH CYP2C8 inducers decrease rosiglitazone effectiveness. Example, rifampin may reduce glucose control. Insulin combination increases risk of fluid retention, heart failure. Sulfonylureas examples, glimepiride, glyburide, increase risk of hypoglycemia. Drug comparison feature rosiglitazone, pioglitazone, metformin. Class, TZD, biguanide, insulin sensitivity, moderate. Weight gain, yes, yes, no. Edema, yes, yes, rare. Heart failure risk, higher, present. First-line drug, no, no. Yes, hypoglycemia alone, rare, rare, rare. Comparison summary, rosiglitazone, effective insulin sensitizer, greater cardiovascular concerns. Pioglitazone, similar efficacy, more commonly prescribed. Metformin, first-line treatment, weight neutral or causes slight weight loss, lower cardiovascular risk. Number 17, patient teaching. Medication adherence. Take medication exactly as prescribed. Do not stop abruptly. Self-monitoring monitor. Fasting blood glucose, post-meal glucose. Keep a glucose diary. Diet. Follow diabetic diet. Limit refined sugars. Reduce saturated fats. Increase fiber intake. Exercise. At least 150 minutes/week of moderate exercise. Report immediately. Swelling of feet, shortness of breath, sudden weight gain, vision changes, jaundice. Follow-up. Regular follow-up is necessary for HbA1c monitoring, weight assessment, liver function tests, detection of heart failure symptoms. Mnemonic for rosiglitazone, ROSI. R, reduces insulin resistance. O, oral antidiabetic drug. S, swelling, edema, and weight gain. I, improves insulin sensitivity through PPAR gong activation. This mnemonic helps remember the key pharmacological features and adverse effects of rosiglitazone. Thank you. Have a nice day.